So over here you can see that I got a bunch of tasks, and the tasks are linked out with one another. So if you want to go around and then highlight out the tasks based on the task paths, then you can do that as well. For example, I'm going to go around and select script writing right here. And what I can do is I can go around on to the Gantt chart format tab right here, and then go to task paths right here, and then select predecessor. Once I do that, what happens is that for this particular task right here, it'll highlight out the predecessor for that particular task. You can also go around and then disable this right here and enable driving predecessors over here just like this as well. So depending on what you want, you can enable both of them as well, and even highlight the successor and the driven successors right here just like this, the driven successors, as you can see right here. You can remove out the highlights over here just like this as well, and select out another task according to how you want, and then you can select out predecessors right here and then driven successors, and if there are any, they will be highlighted over here just like this, as you can see. You can go around over here, and as you click on different tasks, you can see that they are actively showing everything. So I have all the highlights turned on. So if I were to go around over here and click here, click here, click here, you can see that all of the task right here just like this is being highlighted out over there. You can go around over here onto, let's say, production, and then you can see that the main summary task gets highlighted over here just like this. And as you click on individual bit of this, you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and click right here, click right here, click right here, and everything is highlighted. You can go around and remove out all of the highlights, and everything is removed, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can highlight out the task paths inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe